Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Infinix phone guys system setting. And today video title is guys phone language change setting, how to change language in Infinix mobile. Friends, you want to change language, you want to add any language on your device. So how to add language, how to change language, one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Infinix mobile setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your device. So friends, on your Infinix mobile, click here system setting. After on system setting friends, you can see language and input setting. Friends, click here language setting. After on friends language setting friends, you can see phone language setting. Again click here, and friends already I have friends Hindi language, and friends you want to add any language, and friends you want to remove language, select language and you can remove it. So friends, now you can see there is no any extra language, so we will add language. And friends, I will add again Hindi language. Friends, you can see this type interface. Friends, you want to add Punjabi language, Gujarati language. Friends, you want to add Marathi language, so you can add Marathi language also. So friends, I know only Hindi language, so as I will add only Hindi language. And friends, you can see phone language will change into Hindi. Wi-Fi, hotspot, connection, vibration, display, brightness setting, theme, lock screen, memory, notification center, app management setting, kids mode setting, power setting, special function setting, system setting. So friends, you can use Hindi language on your Infinix mobile. And friends, you want to change guys again Hindi to English language. So friends, how to change? Again open pen phone system setting. After on system setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Infinix mobile. Friends, click here language setting. After on language setting, again click here language, and friends press here English language, select English language and change again. And friends, after 4 and 5 seconds your phone language will set into in English. And friends, now you can use Wi-Fi, hotspot, more connection setting, sound vibration, notification setting, location setting, privacy setting. So like that friends, you can use your phone language setting. You can add language, you want to change language, so friends you can change language. And friends, you want to add more language, so friends click here and you can add language. So friends, I don't want to add, so I will leave it. So like that friends, we can use phone language settings. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.